I'm logged into Perplexity now. I do have a Perplexity Pro account, and because I'm on the AI Business Fellowship, I get training on how to actually use Perplexity Labs to create these customized business dashboards. And the goal here again is to use this as a prospecting tool to deliver value to business owner clients. And I've asked Perplexity to find a current market valuation, apply industry multiples, find growth opportunities, run a risk assessment, run an exit planning scenario. You can also run a tax optimization scenario as well. But I've asked Perplexity to do this while keeping it grounded in QuickBooks data. I attached, you don't have to do that to deliver value to the prospect. And that's okay. You can still do live research based on a pretty good valuation analysis for me. But I told Perplexity I want a dashboard, which means it needs to be dynamic and visual, right? This is what you want to use on the actual client call, right? So I'm going to click on app right there. And you can see what I have right now is essentially a dashboard. You can go through key metrics, you can scroll down, take them through different points. You can run a risk assessment. You can pull up financial trends, growth opportunities, exit scenarios right there, best case, base case, downside case, valuation multiples comparison. But I think you get the drift. This is a personalized dashboard for a client and to serve specific clients or specific customers. And this is pretty game changing because you don't have to use a static dashboard anymore. You don't have to pay a ton of money for that. You just need to figure out how to use these tools and visualize complex concepts for your clients. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you're interested to know more about how at AdvisorX, how we help financial services firms really build an organic growth engine, please schedule some time with me. I'd love to talk more. Thank you.